Today we're going to replace the spark plugs on this 2017 Toyota Camry. First thing we're going to do is just lift up all three corners. 1, 2, and 3. So we get this out the way, and that will expose our coil packs to get to our spark plugs. We're going to be using a 10mm socket to remove the coil packs from here. We're going to loosen them all up. After they're all loosened up, we're going to remove the pigtail connectors from there. And AutoZone is here with my spark plugs already. Nice, sweet, and there they are. And we'll remove all these bolts and we'll set them over to the side. And then once we have done that, we'll disconnect each pigtail connector, so we'll be able to remove the the coil from each cylinder, and we'll set them down over to the side. And I just like to lay them down as I take them out, so we know which one they're going to go back into. Alright, I'm using the 5/8 spark plug socket. This has a little rubber grommet inside that holds on to the spark plug, and I'm using a 3-inch and a 6-inch extension. We'll break this loose and then we'll drive this sucker out. And here's the first one. Oh yeah, these plugs are pretty much done. They for sure need to be replaced. Some NGKs, iridiums. We're gonna go with some Densos OEMs, and there's the part number there. Sweet. So we'll remove each spark plug from each cylinder and we'll put in a new spark plug. All right, there's the old plugs. Here is the new plug. Nice. And the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to stick it back into the socket. Since it has that rubber grommet, it's going to hold on to it, and I'm going to hand thread it into place just like so, and then we'll secure it down. I'm not going to be using the electric tool. I will be using a manual tool. And secure these down, and not too tight. When it stops, you stop. Just give it a bit of a turn to secure it. Same thing with the next ones. When it stops, you stop. A little bit more. Bam, that's it. All right, and we'll put in the coil packs back into place, and we'll connect the pigtails before we secure them down. That way it's a lot easier to get those pigtails connected, just like so. And then we'll secure them down with the 10mm bolt. We'll put the cover back into place, and we are set. Have the bolts here ready in hand. Secure these down and secure it down with the ratchet. Not too tight. It is plastic. The coil packs. Sweet. Put the cover back on. Lock it down into place, and then we are set. Oh wow, this is the hardest part right here. All right, press all three corners down, and there you have it. That is how we replace spark plugs on this 2017 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.